Shangu. So friends, today we are making kada. In Telugu it's called kashayam. So let's get started. The ingredients you require is black pepper, cloves, dry ginger, jagger and turmeric. So let's start. Now let's add our pepper. Now let's slightly do like this. The aroma is getting very nice. Now let's keep it aside. In this plate I'll take this black pepper. Now let's add our cloves. Now let's also lightly mix it until the aroma gets good. So friends, it's getting good aroma. Now let's keep in the other plate. Now let's keep it aside. Now let's add our dry ginger. In Telugu it's called sonti. Now let's mix. Now let's flame off. Until it cool down, let's wait for some time. So friends, now with this all ingredients you need to smash in it. If you don't like this, you can blend it also. So first, now let's add our ingredients. Now first I'll add my dry ginger. Now I'll smash it. Now I'll add my black pepper. Now this all ingredients take some time to blend, to smash. Now I'll add some of the cloves. Now we need to crush the all ingredients. Like this you need to do. Now let's go to our next procedure. Now take a pan and add 1 to 2 glasses of water. Now let's add our powder. Until it boils, let's keep our lid. Now I'll open the lid and let's add our jagger. Now I'll close the lid. Now let's open our lid. It's boiling. Now let's strain and drink it. Now our immunity booster is ready. Drink it to get relief from cold, cough, fever and COVID symptoms. Keep drinking and stay healthy friends. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.